Hey everyone, I hope you all are doing good and having a good time. So in this video I will be talking about externship at the CIA because when I was starting out I didn't really know what externship was. I didn't know how it would work. I didn't know when I had to go to externship. So in this video I'll answer all those questions. Let's get into it. Alright, so externship is basically when you go somewhere that you're interested in and you basically work there, you learn, and you also make money. That's externship. And at the CIA, externship is basically required. You have to go, well, let me tell you when you have to go first. So 1 semester after the end of your first kitchen class, like your culinary fundamentals or your baking fundamentals, after you end that class, 1 semester after that, you gotta go to externship. So for culinary students, your first kitchen class will be culinary fundamentals or fundies. And after that, the semester after, fundies is 1 semester long. And after that, you basically have 5 different classes: modern banquet, a la carte, meat ID, seafood ID, and high volume production. After you finish all those classes, now you can go to externship, the semester after that. Externship, I received this question on my other externship video. So is externship required or not? Well, in a way it's required, but in a way it's not. You know, it's kind of hard to understand because it's required that it's not required, it's like recommended. That's the word. Yeah, they tell you that it's recommended to go then, but you can push your externship back. I know a lot of people who push their externship back because they're like, well, if I go now, I still have like 5 semesters left, so it's a big gap, you know. But they would just push it back until they're like about to graduate, and they're like, well, if I like that place, I would just go there after I graduate. That's a nice thinking too, but the CIA recommends you to go to externship after after passing 2 semesters of kitchen classes. That's what it is. Yeah. And externship, you basically can find like wherever you want. You basically can go wherever you want outside of the US. Inside of the US doesn't really matter. You can, as long as you can afford it, you can go wherever you want, you know. And there is a career fair at the CIA each semester. That's really helpful for those who are in the CIA right now. I highly recommend you going there, even if your externship is like in 2 semesters and 1 semester, doesn't really matter. Go meet people, meet different companies, meet different hotels, resorts, restaurants. It's really important. Make sure to go there. And yeah, so this was all about the externship that I had for you guys. If you have any questions, any comments, anything, make sure to drop it down below. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you like my content, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you, and until the next video, I will see you all later. Thank you.